Hey parents, teaching your child about money doesn't have to be complicated. One of the most effective ways to help them understand budgeting and financial responsibility is through a simple allowance system. Giving your child an allowance can be a fun, hands-on way to learn about earning, saving, and spending wisely. Start with a clear plan. Decide how much allowance is appropriate for their age and what it's meant to cover. Is it for snacks, toys, or small personal expenses? Clearly defining the purpose helps children understand the value of money and the concept of limits. Introduce simple budgeting tools. Encourage your child to divide their money into categories: savings, spending, and giving. Using jars, envelopes, or a small notebook makes the process visual and tangible. This teaches them planning, prioritization, and the joy of saving for future goals. Track expenses together. Have your child write down what they spend and what they save each week. This reinforces awareness, helps them see the impact of decisions, and builds essential math and money management skills early on. Teach decision-making and delayed gratification. Sometimes children will want to spend all their money immediately. Use these moments as teaching opportunities. Discuss the benefits of saving for something larger or waiting for a sale. This develops self-control, foresight, and responsible decision-making. Encourage goal setting. Help your child set short-term and long-term financial goals, like saving for a toy, a game, or a special outing. When children achieve a goal, they feel proud, and the lesson of planning and persistence sticks. Include giving as part of budgeting. Teaching children to allocate a portion of their allowance for charity or gifts fosters empathy and an understanding that money can have purpose beyond personal wants. Make it a regular practice. Weekly check-ins to review savings, spending, and giving habits create accountability and a routine. Discuss what went well and what can improve next week. Over time, children begin to internalize smart money habits naturally. Expand learning as they grow. Introduce concepts like interest, digital banking, and budgeting for bigger projects. By gradually increasing responsibility, your child will learn to make informed financial choices, manage limited resources, and value money as a tool for their goals. Teaching budgeting with allowances isn't just about giving money, it's about instilling lifelong skills, managing resources, setting goals, prioritizing, giving back, and understanding the value of money. Start small, make it consistent, involve them in decision-making, and celebrate their progress. With these lessons, your child will grow confident, responsible, and financially aware, ready to handle money wisely in the future.